What does a puppy say?
Jojo.
I was doing something.
Jojo,
what does a puppy say? Ruff, ruff. What does a kitty cat say? Meow. What does a chicken say? Bark, 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 bark. What does a choo-choo train say? Good job. What's a cow say? Moo. I love you. I love you. I love you. I love you from your tippy tippy top down to your tippy tippy toe. Jonah took off his bib and threw it across the floor. Yum, yum. What does a piggy say? Good job, Jojo B. Big bite. Yum. Who's that? Who's that? Dimitri. And who's over there? Who's that? Who's that?
The noodles are completely horrible.
Who's that? Bella. Say Bella. Can you say Bella? Ma.
He's like, bye, Mom.
Where'd Bella go?